Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be looking at the parking lot sale coming up at Harbor Freight in January, specifically starting on the 12th for ITC members, continuing through the 19th. So this was released online on a couple websites, but it was actually also being included. If you go to Harbor Freight, your location may have it. They are including it in, if the cashier is doing their job, they're including this flyer in your purchase. You can grab one whether you go to the store or they'll put one in your bag when you're leaving or checking out. Like I said, it starts on the 12th and goes through the 15th for ITC members, and then starting on the 16th for everybody else and continuing through the 19th. So let's just go ahead and see what they have. This is following, right now we have the 12 days of Christmas, going on at Harbor Freight, which today they actually have 40% off all Icon ratchets. So if you haven't and you're interested in some Icon ratchets, this is definitely a good time to go get some if they're in stock. Tomorrow we're also going to see some good deals. We're going to have 40% off all of the US General magnetic attachments for like your toolboxes and service carts, your your glove holders, your can holders. All of that stuff is going to be 40% off. And then they are also doing a discount on the US General 72-inch triple bank toolbox. That original pricing is $1,800. It is going to be down to $1,300. I think that's a fantastic price. I actually think that's what the pricing of the 72-inch box should be on a regular basis, because if you just think about the price of the 56 and compare it to the 72 is definitely the worst deal out of all the toolboxes as far as pricing. So getting the 72 on sale is really the only time to buy it, because you can buy two 56s for basically the same price as a 72. But I think $1,300 for that is a really good deal. So once again, today they have 40% off Icon wrenches. Tomorrow, 40% off of the magnetic attachments, as well as drawer organizers, wrench organizers, things like that. And then a big discount on the 72-inch toolbox down to $1,300. So let's go ahead and get into this parking lot sale. Up top here we have the snap ring pliers with reversible action. This is down to $10 from $14, so almost 30% off that. You have the 500 lumen swivel headlamp at just under $10 from $15, so over 30% off on that. We're not going to go over everything. You'll be able to see everything. And keep in mind that these are probably going to change when Harbor Freight releases these flyers. As we get closer to the actual event, they do tend to add some things, change some things. So this is a good start. So we won't go over everything, but you'll be able to see everything. Got a few other smaller miscellaneous items up there. Obviously, getting to the bigger coupons here, we got 30% off all jump starters and automotive battery chargers, which I think that is a pretty good deal. 30% off all welders for those that are looking at maybe getting into welding, or you just need a more affordable welder. I think that's a really good option. 40% off all paintbrushes, rollers, and drop cloths. Then they got 35% off all Maddox auto shop tools, equipment, and diagnostics. So that's really cool to see. I think that's going to be a big one. Some savings on that stuff. And then they also have 30% off all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets, the T-handles, which, I mean, if you get that big boy Icon pry bar, that's made in the USA. That's a good deal, 30% off that. The ball peen dead blows, 30% off is probably the only time I would buy them, just because you can find USA-made ones for about the same price as the Icon's full price. And then the Allen keys, or the T-handles, I think are a good deal. I like the organizer they come in. They can take up space if you don't have the room for it. But 30% off, I think that's a good deal. Next up, we got a couple deals on the Predator generators. This is the 5000 and the 9500. And we actually just had a deal on these. They're not quite as good, I don't believe, but they're still decent savings on these for sure. Then we got a deal on the Apache cases over here, the 9800 series. This is the long rifle case, and it's down to $95, so $55 worth of savings on there. They got the Daytona 3-ton low-profile floor jack at $130, down from $200, so some good savings on there, $70 off of that. They got the Braun 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED shop light. Those are fantastic. shop lights like this, the linkable ones, absolutely fantastic. They're super affordable and they're so easy to install and just provide so much more lighting. And the Braun ones I've heard good things about. I have quite a few shop lights like this installed in my garage. Absolutely love it. I've heard good things about the Braun ones, and they're already priced really well at $23, but now they're going to be down to $16. I think that's fantastic. Then they got the Icon 73-inch toolbox down to $2,500, so $500 worth of savings on that if you're looking at the Icon toolbox. Then they got the Quinn half-inch drive SAE and metric master socket set. This is an 83-piece set down to $120 from $150, so $30 worth of savings. I think Quinn, these socket sets are really well put together sets. I think they're great coverage, good pricing, and Quinn has really been stepping it up in the last year or two, so I'm glad to see that. Down below, we just have a few more items. We got the 3/8. I know I kind of cut it off over here. We got the 3/8 drive bolt extractor set. This is a 9-piece set down to $20 from $30, so some good savings on that, over 30% savings. Cheap little tool bag on sale at $4, down from $8. A little 5-piece plier set at $15, down from $20. The plastic ammo can down to $6 from $9. So just more of your smaller miscellaneous items. Moving on to the next page, we got more of your miscellaneous items: zip ties, step bits, stacking bins, a miter box, some padlocks, and shop towels. Then moving down, we have the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer storage cabinet. Keep in mind they call this a storage cabinet because these aren't really built the same as toolboxes. They're good if you want something for like longer term storage, not really something that you're going to get into on a daily basis. Like if you have specialty tools or things like that that you might get into a couple times a week, a couple times a month, a couple times a year, these are going to be fantastic for that. But they're just not built the same as the US General toolboxes. So just keep that in mind. But they are priced well for kind of your longer term storage, and you can still use it as a nice workbench as well. This is priced at $300, down from $360, so $60 worth of savings isn't terrible. They got the 30-inch service cart with drawer down to $98 from $130. Then they have the 72-inch that we were just talking about, which actually goes on sale tomorrow for $1,300. Well, if you miss out on that, it's not quite as good of a deal, but still a good deal. The 72-inch will be down to $1,400 from $1,800. Then moving down, we have the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile jack down to $100. So the Daytona one will be at $130. This one will be at $100. Both of them very, very solid options. This one is $70 worth of savings. The Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands at $35, down from $50. Anytime you can get these a lot of the times in the 30s, around this $35 price, I think that's a fantastic price for these jack stands. It is available in 8 different color options as well. We got a couple more Icon products here. Their interchangeable puller set and their universal joint press set. $45 worth of savings on the puller set, and the ball joint and universal joint press set is $40 worth of savings. Those aren't priced terrible. Moving on down, we got a couple winches on sale. Then we got the Icon lights. We got the 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight at $35, down from $55. 36% savings on that. These little lights, I have the Braun one. That was just, I think they were 50% off, something like that. I wasn't expecting a whole lot from that. That thing is built really, really well. Great light output, great build quality, great magnetism. Really, really solid option for a work light. This Icon one being at $35, and it's at 2100 lumens. That's very impressive. And then they have the 1000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar work light with UV inspection at $48 from $60. Not quite as good of a deal as what we saw on the 12 Days of Christmas, but still some decent pricing on there. In this row, you just kind of have some of your miscellaneous truck accessories, truck rack, ramps, a drop hitch, some lighting. They do have a Pittsburgh tool set over here behind my big dumb head. You can see there, that is the 146-piece set, down from $60 to $50, so not great savings on that, and that's kind of one of your more really basic tool sets. They got the heat gun down to $10 from $20. Really good pricing on that. I know tons of guys in my profession that run this all the time, and they'll run it for a year or two, and as soon as it goes bad, they just go and get a replacement. And they do have better quality options at Harbor Freight. I know the Bauer one is almost identical to my Tac Life one. Really solid heat gun. But this one at $10, I mean, that's a great price. If you don't have a heat gun, extremely handy tool to have around. Very affordable. And just more of your miscellaneous items down there. And then you got your magnetic paper towel holder. That one will also be on sale tomorrow, 40% off. This is 26% off. Still priced really well at $11. Next page, we got the extension set down to $10. That's basically what we see it at all the time. 2800 series waterproof protective case. This one will be at $20, down from $30, so some good pricing on that, 33% off. More of your miscellaneous items, not much different than the prices that we see any other time. Some more Predator items, generators, and then you have the 100-watt super light solar panel. Some more welding equipment on sale, so a couple helmets, which we just saw some deals on that as well. Then they have their welding table at $159, down from $190, so $30 worth of savings on that. You got the new U.S. General heavy-duty 5-tier shelving at $120. Then we have the Franklin 700-pound capacity hand truck at $50, down from $60, so not great savings on that. Central Machinery Vise at $28, down from $38. And then their parts cleaner at $140, down from $170. On the bottom here, you got the 11-inch pliers, 90, 45 long reach needle nose, $4 each, down from $6 each. I'll tell you what, I've had these pliers and their hose pliers for many years, almost 10 years. And honestly, not the best quality, but for long reach pliers, they hold up just fine, and they get the job done, and they're super affordable. Then the last page here, we have the high visibility socket adapter set at $2.92, down from $5. That's a really weird price, but 41% off. $11 for the precision screwdriver set, 12-piece set, not bad, 26% off. 4.5-inch cutoff wheels. That's a 10-pack from Bauer, down to $5 from $8, 37% savings on there. 33% savings on AA and AAA batteries. The titanium drill bit set down to $12 from $20, so 40% savings on that. Next up, we have a couple of Warrior corded power tools. I'm not a big fan of the corded Warrior stuff, or the Warrior stuff in general, as far as power tools, whether it's cordless or corded. But you got 17% off, which, you know, they can't do much more because they're already dirt cheap. You can't go much cheaper on power tools, so yeah, you got that. You got the Warrior 15-amp 10-inch table saw at $129 or $130, down from $150. You got the Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw at $200, down from $240. Then you got a couple of items up here from Hercules. This is the 15-amp 42-pound wall breaker hammer. This is at $400, down from $500, so $100 worth of savings on that. Then you got their planer at $350, down from $400. You do have the 20-volt 5-amp-hour lithium-ion battery with 4-amp charger. This is the starter kit at $80, so $40 worth of savings on that. That's a pretty dang good deal. And then they got the 3-amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander at $45. We got a couple deals on the McGraw air compressors. You got the 8-gallon 150 PSI oil-free, and then you got the 21-gallon 175 PSI oil-free vertical. This one is down to $130 from $160, so some okay savings on that, and some good savings on the 21-gallon. As far as Bauer, we got a discount on the belt and disc sander at $90, down from $110. 22% off their angle grinder. $30 for the 3-amp-hour battery. 50% off that. That's a pretty good deal. Then next, we got a couple more Bauer products. The 5-amp drywall sander at $120 from $170, and the electric pressure washer. This is a newer item. It's been out a couple months now, I want to say. Down to $70 from $100. That's probably what the pricing should be. The professional gravity feed spray guns down to $140 from $180. You got the Merlin retractable air hose reel at $70, down from $80. Not very good savings on that. And then you got the heavy duty air accessory kit, the 20-piece set, down to $16, 40% savings on that. That's a great deal as well. The microfiber cleaning cloths, always good to pick those up, especially when they're on sale. So we got a few good items in here. The microfibers, the air hose kit, the Bauer battery, 50% off. The Hercules battery starter kit, that's not a bad option. A couple of the generators are on good deals if you're one that's looking for a generator. They did just have some good deals on the generators though. The US General 72-inch, if you're looking at picking that up, I would suggest either tomorrow or during this sale, because $1,800, I don't think it's worth it at that. I'd rather buy two of the 56s. The floor jacks, the icon lighting, and then the main coupons here that I showed you at the beginning. I think those are great as well. The icon, the Maddox, the painting, the welders, and the jump starters and battery chargers. I mean, we're going to have some pretty good deals going on, especially even after the holidays. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Any deals that you might be waiting for to pick up during this sale. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.